So ultrasound is actually a very important tool for sports medicine physicians because it provides a very effective diagnostic system that we use for diagnosis, for therapy and for rehabilitation. It is fast, it is effective in the hands of a skilled operator, and that's why it's something that right now is a tool that every modern sports physician should use. In the treatment of professional athletes, talking about ultrasound, I think it's very interesting. For instance, the elastography, which allows the clinician to assess the stiffness of soft tissues like muscles and tendons, and can help us in understanding the phase, for instance, of the rehabilitation, the phase of a strain, of the problem that the athletes had on that particular tissue, and to better decide when we can give the clearance for the return to play, for instance, which is a topical moment in the sports medicine clinician assessment. Right now, we use the ultrasound for, well, in football, where the muscular problems, the tendon problems are very common, and the ultrasound is the golden standard to evaluate these structures. And that's why I think it's necessary to have a ultrasound system on field. The MRI is actually the most efficient and precise tool that we have to assess the inner structures of our body, and so we can see both the superficial parts like muscles and tendons, but also the bones and the joints, and so it is very useful to use it alongside the ultrasound to merge the two modalities and so have the most precise diagnosis, which is of the utmost importance when you treat professional athletes. Talking about open MRI, you have the advantages of an MRI with an open system where the athlete is more comfortable, and also we can have some dynamic examinations which are very useful to assess some problems that you cannot see and analyze with the static modalities. And I can think, I don't know, about the impingement problems of the shoulders, and so having the possibility to perform a dynamic examination with the MRI allows us to have also that kind of examination, and so it is very important.